Understanding, Scan Your Items, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone, welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase you might encounter in everyday life, especially in shops or supermarkets: scan your items. Understanding these simple phrases can make your daily activities much smoother. Let's dive in. Scan your items is a phrase composed of two key parts: scan and your items. Scan refers to the action of using a machine to read a barcode or identify an item electronically. Your items means the things you, the listener, have selected or are purchasing. This phrase is commonly heard in self-checkout areas in stores or supermarkets. Self-checkout machines are where customers can pay for their purchases without a cashier's help. You might also hear this phrase from store employees guiding you on how to use these machines. When you hear "scan your items," it's an instruction to 1. Place each item one by one in the designated area of the machine. 2. Make sure the barcode faces the scanner. 3. Wait for the beep sound, indicating the item has been scanned. For English language learners, understanding spoken instructions quickly can be challenging. Here are some tips. Listen for key words. In this case, scan and items. Observe others if you're unsure. Watching how they scan their items can be very helpful. Don't hesitate to ask for help if you're confused. Most people are happy to assist. Scan your items is a simple yet essential phrase in a world where self-service technologies are becoming more common. Remember, language learning is all about practice and real-life application. We hope this video helps you feel more confident in your English language skills. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.